8 ounces. We'll go with 8 ounces. All right, ready? And 4. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Cheers. Welcome to my Ninja Kitchen. I'm so excited to debut to you, for you, the Ninja HydraSense. You're like, Hydra what? Hydra's water. I know you know that. It's an intelligent water filtration system. Before I get started, my name is Roxanne. I go by Rox Talk Show. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and make sure that you watch these videos. Let me ask me any questions if you have them, because I'm always looking to enhance my videos, make sure that you get the questions you want answered inside of them. And yes, there will be links inside this video, or you can also check out the links inside of the caption. Without further ado, back to this. The Ninja HydraSense. Okay, so here's the tea. When I went to Ninja headquarters, one of the things they said is that they won't go into an actual area of the kitchen unless they're actually doing something that is new and different, or they're significantly changing that industry item. So that's why I'm excited that they have the HydraSense. It's an intelligent water filtration system. They call it the best contamination removal versus like your typical filter. Okay, now here's the thing about it. It removes up to 99% of 80 plus harmful contaminations, including microplastics, forever chemicals, carcinogens, pharmaceuticals, gross, and more. It eliminates 10 times more contaminants than the leading filters out there, and it sits right on your countertop. You ready for the master unboxing? Let's go. Okay, so a couple things about this. It's real-time protection in every drop in seconds. So when you plug it in, it turns on just like that. Ah, so pretty, HydraSense. Cool name. Okay. So filter, I put the filter in already. I skipped some of those parts for y'all, so I hope you're okay with that. And I took water from my tap, which I live in the desert, so you just know what's inside that kind of stuff, okay? Over here, it's nice and sleek, as you can see. It's about the size of their coffee maker. In fact, I have the coffee maker right here. Their Pods and Grounds coffee maker. It's really about that size, and people love the Pods and Grounds coffee maker because it's so thin and sleek, and so that's the case on this as well too. The actual water tank, you have about 90 fluid ounces of water. You'll be able to put this in this at any given time. You can see the filter status here. You can also flip through here and see, you can recirculate the water for ideal after adding ice. Oh, okay. Sleep mode, so does it make noise, sound, ounces you can determine, and then of course you can track your water usage, give you insights. They unlock after 4 weeks. I just got mine, so that'll unlock soon. Average daily use, 2.3 gallons. Filter life, I have less than 6 months left, and it's excellent. Okay, so over here, I can choose my ounces in water, take that up or down. I need some water. 8 ounces, we'll go with 8 ounces. All right, ready? And 4. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Yes. Oh, and it tells you the ounces, it goes up. Okay, this is too cool for school. Let's take a drink. Cheers. So I can't taste any sediments in my water. My tap water, I can taste a little something, something, if you know what I mean. It tastes good to me. I mean, how does one know if your water is actually clean? I don't know. You just kind of feel it. It's got a feeling. You can also do kids' cups at 8 ounces. The slow pour I mentioned with ice trays. And then, of course, if you're doing cooking recipes, you can go up to 96 ounces on this, which is nice because then you're cooking with clean water. If you live in a place like I do where water is really dirty, you just like, and when I was living in California, there were so many water trucks all of the time. It can be a pain. It can be quite expensive. It's easier just to get this and enjoy it. I think it's going to come in a bunch of colors too. And then it's also going to track every drop. So I thought we'd try the slow pour as well too. It is football season, and I have these fun ice cubes, little things. Aren't those cute? And they come out and they look like ice. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's football. So I have them for all the sports. So let's try the slow pour. I'm going to just switch this right here. And I'm going to switch my little pour. It remembers my last pour. So you'll go like so. I can do slow pour, but let me just point out to you, you can add your custom size. So if I hold this down for 2 seconds, then I can add my size. Oh! Now, I'm like, ooh, 6, 7, 8. Who's drinking all that water? I can stop it just in case. That's nice. We're learning as we go. This is so cool. Okay, let me go ahead and switch this to, I was going to do another 8. Slow pour. Okay, ideal for ice trays. And then let's try this. Okay. And I'll put this here. and then come back in a few hours and we'll have ice. That was simple and easy because otherwise you overpour it, it gets all wet. It's no fun. I do like the fact that it has a fun little light right here, if you notice. And one thing I think is interesting though, I'm surprised that this doesn't have different rungs like the coffee machine does just to get closer, but I guess they figured they didn't need it. So there it is. If you have any questions, let me know. This was the unboxing. It got unboxed without you, so it's a short video. I like room temperature water, but sometimes you want something nice, cold, and wonderful. If you want to make cold water, all you'll do is you'll take this. You can either take the reservoir. Oh, it turns red because it knows it took it out. It's a smart little cookie. Take the reservoir and you can put this inside of your actual fridge to get it cool, or you can actually take ice and put it in there. If you put ice in here, make sure you do the recirculate button, which is right here. Because once you add ice to it, because let's be frank, we don't know if your ice is clean. They don't know if your ice is clean. So when you say recirculate, it's actually going to clean the water inside there as well and filtrate it so that you can have fresh water. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to share it with you. In the meantime, enjoy your HydraSense. I've got details underneath about the Ninja HydraSense and you know how I'm going to be getting my water. So go ahead and just let me know. All right, bye.